Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you the history panel, one of those hidden lifesavers that lets you undo or jump back throughout your editing steps easily. Let's get started. First, the history panel keeps track of everything you've done in your current session, like trimming, adding effects, or deleting clips. Basically, it's your full list of actions, so you can go back to any point in your edit without using undo 100 times. So let's quickly make some changes in our timeline. As you can see, I moved some stuff around, deleted some things, and cut the clip in several places. Go to the top section and scroll until you see the history panel. Just click on any step in the list to instantly go back to that moment in your edit. Everything after that step will temporarily disappear, but don't worry, it's not gone. If you click back to a newer step, your edits reappear. The history panel remembers actions while Premiere is open. If you close and reopen your project, the list resets. So it's a good idea to save versions of your project as you go. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.